Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm giving very much fall today. I got this really cute wig from Asteria hair, and I do have the name in the description below, but I know it's the skunk stripe wig. I did try a skunk stripe wig last year, but not this type of shade. So this is really cute for fall, perfect for the season, and this is 24 inches. 13 by 4 transparent lace, but it's really giving HD. It melted so nicely. It was super thin, so no problem at all with that. Yeah, and I really don't have anything else to say about the hair. It was pretty easy to style and work with. It bleached well. I bleached just the knots on the brown side, and it bleached really well. So yeah, if you guys would like to see me install this hair, keep on watching, and I'll have all the information in the description down below. So here is the wig. It is really, really long. They did say they sent me 24 inches, but you guys can be the judge of this. And it's more of like, I wouldn't say it's an ashy skunk stripe, but it's not that bad. It blends well. Only have 2 stripes, or I guess a couple in the back. Right, I think so. And then the lace is transparent lace, but it's really thin, so this should work good. I already did bleach the knots of the brown side, and I plucked a bit, but I'll see if I have to pluck any more. Let's try this on. It looks pretty big, so this should fit good. And it's really thick. And I like how the skunk stripe is on my good side. Last year I tried a similar wig, and it was on the left side. But I like my right side. Right, so this is how it's looking, and I didn't realize it was like a half skunk stripe, so that's cute, right? Kind of half, or I think it's supposed to be on the side. Yeah, something like this. Now it looks like it fits for the most part. I just have to cut a little on the sides. Now I'm just gonna mark out exactly where I want this to start, like on my hairline, just like normal, using an eye pencil. I think this is how it's supposed to look. Alright, perfect. Just gonna clean this little area with some alcohol, and I think I should be good. Perfect. And for glue, of course, I'm using Wholesale Active, and I'm gonna do about 3 layers. Alright, now that it's almost dry, I'm just gonna match up the dots and then press real hard. Right, now I'm just actually gonna cut some of the lace off and then put the melting band, just so that it actually melts what's gonna stay. I don't know, I just feel like it kind of works better now, so that's what I've been doing lately. I'm gonna cut it with scissors and also an eyebrow razor, just both. So I'm just gonna wrap this now, and then after we'll see whatever is left. Just gonna remove these dots. I'm liking this so far though, and I'm just gonna take my melting band. I love them so much, they're so cute. I'm gonna have this down for like 5 minutes. And like always, I'm not sure exactly where I should do the parting. Middle, cool. I think I'm gonna part everything like this, like kind of like a messy no part everything back so you can really see the skunk stripe. So I'm just gonna lay everything kind of flatter, then I'll curl it. Alright, I think I like this parting, but let's see how it actually looks. Looking nice. I'm liking this. Yeah, let's get the baby hairs out. Shoot. Actually, never mind. Let me melt this back. So while I wait for the melting to happen, I'm just going to add some curls to the rest of the hair. And I'm using my Hot Tools barrel, and I believe this is a 1.5-inch barrel. Yeah, so I'm just going to add some curls to this and then brush it out later. Right, before I brush the curls out, so, gosh, oh, that's super melted. That is super, super melted, wow. Take a look. So bomb. I'm just gonna pull out the baby hairs, and then once we do the baby hairs, I'll brush everything out, but so far so good. Alright, so I pulled out where I want my baby hairs, and I'm just gonna hot comb them flat. I think I'm gonna do like a little middle one, and then the rest are just like how I normally do them. Right. Then I'm gonna cut them and then use my K&K little flat iron to curl them, and then I'll lay them. So I'm just going to use my Lotta Body mousse, I only have a bit left, to lay my edges and then wrap my hair one last time. If you ever put mousse on your lace, you just want to quickly wrap it, or else it can lift. Alright, let's brush up these curls. Ooh. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, this one definitely has to be smaller. The one in the middle is doing too much. So I'm actually going to take a bit of gel from Eco Styler. Hopefully this works. Just for this little middle one. So I do want this one to be a cute little circle. Just like this. And then I think I'm just going to use gel for the rest, not too much. Really just taking a little bit. You know, just kind of moment. Perfect. And the rest. looks like we're all done, and this is the final look. I wouldn't say it held the curls the best, but it still has a wave, so I'm not mad at it. This is the final look. Let me get up to show you guys. This is how it's looking, and this is 24 inches on me. So cute. It's perfect for fall, and I love it's close up. So cute. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up. Comment below what you'd like to see from me next. Of course, it's gonna be another wig install, but comment like what other types you'd like to see me try. I do have some really cute ones coming up for the fall season, so can't wait for that. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you do. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.